To download Crypto.com on a MacBook, start by opening the App Store application. You can find the App Store icon in the dock at the bottom of your screen or by using Spotlight. Search. Once the App Store is open, click on the search bar located at the top right corner of the window and type in Crypto.com. Press Enter to initiate the search and wait for the results to load. In the search results, look for the Crypto.com application, which should be listed as Crypto.com by Forest Limited. Click on the Crypto.com application to open its page in the App Store. On the Crypto.com page, you will see a button that says Get or Install. Click on this button to begin the download process. If you are not already signed in to the App Store, you may be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID and password. Enter your login credentials to proceed with the download. Once the download is complete, the button will change to say Open. Click on the Open button to launch the Crypto.com application on your MacBook. You will then be prompted to create an account or log in to an existing one. Follow the in-app instructions to complete the setup process and start using Crypto.com. It is essential to ensure that you are downloading the official Crypto.com application from the App Store to avoid any potential security risks. Always verify the application's developer and read reviews from other users before downloading. By following these steps, you can safely and easily download Crypto.com on your MacBook and start exploring the world of cryptocurrency.